Welcome to the Fearless Sports Arena. This is the multi-purpose football arena. There is the basketball.
This is the amazing Fearless Sports Arena. Let me tell you, it was launched last year after Fearless Summit, at the Fearless Summit actually. And so far, people have been coming here to train, to compete, to have fun.
It's multi-purpose, it's all weather. Actually, we have covered it up. So whether it's raining, whether it's shining, people can be able to come and play. It's really just a good environment for people to come and play. In future, we'll have bleachers over here, so we'll be able to sit all the way up and watch the football game continuing. So, yep.
We have a netball pitch that is coming up. We have a swimming pool that is coming up. This is a wonderful space that is just opening up to help people to form community, form relationships, because we are all about turning ordinary people into fearless influencers of society, even through sports, by the way.
We unite the youths within the neighborhood, within our churches, and also the pastors, and also as we have fun and engage in as Christians as well.
During the week, we have different schools coming to hire the venue so that they can be able to play football. Again, where we are in this the river area, there aren't many football pitches where people can be able to go and engage as a community. And so we are seeing people coming to connect with us in this place every Tuesday evening. The youth are here playing. Every Sunday after service, the youth are here playing.
My name is Atenas Mahero, and I'm one of the teens pastors in this church. I serve at Ropes, which is the Rite of Passages experiences. And today we have our inter-network tournament that is going on here. I'm part of Hill City Network. And so far so good. We have a good team consisting of pastors, congregants, and even the Mavuno Young and Fearless.
So far we've seen some teams playing against each other. We've had Lifeway playing against the Downtown Network. We've had Hill City playing against the South Network. Now we have Lifeway playing against the Mashariki Network.
We have an astroturf football pitch here. So far in City we played with the Mashariki, which we won 2-1, and we played again with the South, which we won 3-1. I'm very much confident that we're going to win this tournament because we have the best team that has been training consistently, and we train together and we come to church together.
So thank you so much. Thank you for your giving. This is amazing. This is epic. May the best team win. Papa Kilo in the house. Welcome.